how to do breath work for relaxation, focus, and overall well-being. Have you ever heard of breath work? This is a type of breathing exercise where you can change the patterns of your breathing. And it sounds simple. It is, but it can also have really great benefits for your health and well-being. You don't have to have any particular beliefs or religion to enjoy these benefits, these exercises, as they can be very helpful for issues like mood disorders, grief, anger, chronic pain, emotional unrest due to illnesses. And breath work isn't just one thing and it doesn't just have one benefit. It can be adjusted according to your needs and your goals. And that's why it's being used to decrease stress, improve emotional equilibrium, reduce negative thoughts, aid in self-development, help with emotional processing and pain, and develop life skills. It also can help improve relationships of all kinds and boost creativity. And lastly, increase happiness. And so apart from its flexibility, one of the best things about breathwork techniques is that they are natural and incredibly safe. And you should always still talk to your doctor before trying them, especially if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, taking medications, or have a condition that can be affected by these techniques. And so if done correctly, breath work can be very beneficial. But if done incorrectly, and if you're very sensitive due to adrenal fatigue, or you have a very sympathetic nervous system imbalance, then breath work can actually cause symptoms like heart palpitations or dizziness or tingling in your extremities if you breathe too much and too fast, clouded vision, decreased blood flow to your brain, cognitive issues, muscle spasms, and ringing in your ears. So make sure you're not overdoing it and make sure you listen to your body. You should probably not try breath work if you have any lung or breathing issues or severe psychiatric conditions or a history of aneurysms or vision issues or bone loss. And so if you are cleared to try some breathwork techniques, there's lots of options to choose from. But the best approach is to try them and see if they work for you. If you're looking for an easy way to start, here are some simple breathwork exercises that you can try. Box breathing, where you breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and then breathe out for 4. And then hold again for 4. So that's why it's 4, 4, 4, 4. There's also a second type of 4, 7, 8 type of breathing. This is when you breathe in for 4, hold for 7, breathe out for 8, making a whooshing sound whenever you breathe out. And there's also pursed lip breathing, where you breathe in normally through your nose and out through pursed lips. There's diaphragmatic breathing, which involves deliberately using your stomach as you breathe. The diaphragm comes down, and the vagal nerve, which is in charge of the parasympathetic nervous system, actually runs your diaphragm. So when you breathe in, the diaphragm comes down, and then when you breathe out, the diaphragm goes up. Along with that is the abdominal breathing. So the abdomen comes out when you breathe in, and the abdomen goes back in when you breathe out. And there's also another one called alternate nostril breath, where you block one nostril and breathe in, and then block the other to breathe out. So there's many different types of breath work. Some other specific types are like clarity breath work. This type of breath work involves controlling your breathing by practicing circular or continuous breathing. It's set to help clear blocked emotions and focus your awareness on the current moment. Holotropic breath. This is another type of controlled breathing technique that involves music, art, and discussion, and it's meant to help you with your personal growth and emotional resilience. Transformational breath work. This technique helps to clear and integrate trauma by using deep diaphragmatic breathing. It works on the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual level with benefits for all three. Rebirthing breath work. This technique should only be performed under the guidance of a properly qualified and experienced instructor, which involves circular breathing to help you work on uncovering and processing blocked emotions that can occur as a result of trauma or conditioning. Thank you for listening today. We've talked about so many different types of breath works and how you can use it to relax, focus, and help your overall well-being. If you'd like to hear more great tips, make sure to click the subscribe button, like, and share this video so that we can help other people improve their health also. Remember, we're here to empower you to take control of your health.